maganda ang record natin despite of unfounded, criticisms, which is, well, I mean, we expected, that the Philippines was able to get the upper berth, I said, of the countries that are inoculated. Maganda ang record niya, no? And to think that people were almost in a quandary where to get the next vaccination. For whatever it is really worth to them, we were able to make a go, at least not everybody at one time, but we have vaccinated a lot of people, and I am happy that we have completed the vaccination of the medical people, yung tawag nilang frontrunner. So, nakita mo naman na hindi pala tayo yung pinaka mahina at mataas nga yung atin. It goes to show that we are really working very hard, especially Secretary Galvez, to get the vaccines here in the Philippines on time. Though it is not as fast as people would like to expect, the fact that I said we have occupied a certain position, we are number 15, sa number 3.
Sa ASEAN po sir tayo, number 3 po tayo sir. So kung makikita nyo sir yung, kung yung starting point, number 8 tayo nag-start po sir. Tayo ang number 8. Kung makikita nyo sir yung iba, nag-start ng sir ng earlier as early as 30 December and also month of January and February. Ang sir, ang medyo na huli lang sa atin sir is dalawang country, yung Vietnam and I believe yung Brunei sir. And nakita natin from 8th place, tumayo po tayo sir ng number 3. And then from sir, from as low as 100, rank 100, tayo sir 41st na po tayo sir out of 173 countries that are vaccinating. And from ASEAN countries, number 14, over 47 po na countries. So hindi po tayo nasa upper nasa upper 1/3 tayo sir ng ating ranking. And despite sir na steady sir yung supply sir natin, though it comes into trickles or by 2 million a month. Meron pa po tayong reserva sir na 3 million na hanggang ngayon sir. And then ngayon po meron pa po darating na more or less 2 million this coming month sir.
Well, it speaks well of the effort of your office to at least come to a more than an acceptable performance in the matter of the fight against COVID as far as the Philippines is concerned.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.